everything. We
You
have
get the machine and
we
you
ha-
don't get any treatment.
we have
Only
everything.
medicine.
We have medicines. We got some from
Your
China not
president,
long ago.
our president is supposed to give the money to buy foodstuffs for the people that they say they should not work and other stuffs in school. But rather is using the money for sanitary what and all. It's a bullshit.
You know, we Ghanaians are not rich like you do. Like we Ghanaians are not rich like Americans, right? So we can be distributing the money to the citizens who are not working or who are working, and due to this, they are going to stop working for a moment. So what the president can do now, to me or to my opinion, I think the street people, they are the people the president or the head people or the leaders should take the attention or focus to. You understand? Because they move anyhow, they communicate with people who are coming in and going out like that, always on the roadside. So I think the president or the leaders should take their focus there, and then if they can calm them or in a school, like Legon is shut down for instance now, so they can help all of them in Legon school. They feed them till everything is sorted out. You understand? But paying people, like giving them money as monthly, I don't think our country can afford. We don't have such amount of money.
No, it's not that. It's not that paying them money. I'm not talking about paying them money.
Okay.
You buy foodstuffs.
Okay, okay. With that one, I perfectly agree with you. I perfectly agree.
Yeah, and the medicine too, they can also do the same thing. Even a little rice, one bag is how much?
Okay.
1 million or 1.5. Yeah, you can buy it.
Okay.
That's $200.
Yeah.
Yeah.
$20.
And plus oil and other things. Supply it to the, you see, the people who don't have some.
Yeah.
See? And the musician, the actress and the actors, those who have some. You see? A little thing. It's okay.
So I should tell Kwapia to start distributing rice and stuff to people on the streets, right?
Oh, Kwapia is a poor person, you know.
Ah, Kwapia is an actor.
No, it's an actor, but you don't. It's not mature to do that thing, you know. The money is low.
The money is low.
The money.
So who are the kind of people you're expecting to do this donation?
Yeah, the people like Lewin, Sarkodie, Shatta Wale Sarkodie. I hope I've heard that some guy is already done that.
Okay.
Yeah, God bless him a lot. Yeah, and Kennedy Japan, the pastor that you have been bragging in Ghana. Yeah, it's supposed to do that. And stop becoming on radio station, FM station, and you'll be bragging. Come on.
So it's not time for them to brag, right?
Yeah. The time that you have to help Ghanaian people, they don't. See, everybody is quiet.
Yeah.
Because if they come to brag, you insult them.
Yep.
You tell them what a shit.
What a
You
shit.
tell them they should stop bragging. You see, nobody can stand up and say, oh, I'll fight for this, I'll do this, I'll do this.
Okay.
Rather, if they say somebody should come and off of money or casa, you see, the people that they will come and show off.
Yeah, that one.
By the time that Ghanaian people need help, nobody.
They are not helping.
Oh,
So to you, what do you think it should be done at the moment to save Ghana, mother Ghana from this corona or COVID-19?
Right now, my idea is it is too late because the sickness have already entered our country, Ghana. So the one thing they can only do is they should let what sanitizer, soap or what liquid. It should be more.
Okay.
A jug, a drum, a gallon, whatever. Everybody. If you are walking, you have to get some. Any seconds, you have to put some on your hand and wash.
Okay.
You have to get warm water.
Warm water.
Along to, if you are eating or you go to toilet or nobody should greet. Or if you are talking with someone, you have to like some distance. You have to keep the person distance so that you can talk to each other.
Okay.
Or hanky. You have to get hanky like 10 on you.
Yeah.
When you use the hanky you want to, you have to throw it away.
Okay. Okay.
That's the president supposed to supply those things more.
Okay.
And people are supposed to donate these things more.
Okay.
So that they will be working about the medicine that can secure that this thing. I hear that idea. In Ghana, we have already get that medicine.
Yeah.
That can secure.
I think we don't really have a medicine for that, but we have medicines that can boost the immune system to fight the virus.
Yes. I hear that they are selling it for China people. So a shot, first it was like 1 million or 50 Ghana. Now they say it is 200. But
Oh, really?
They don't get them to buy.
Wow.
You see? If the China people come, they'll sell all to the China people. You are rather doing business.
Yeah.
You see? You have to put it. It's not close. That is very, very, very bad.
But now we have closed all our borders. I think.
Did you see it? Or you just hear about it?
No, we have.
Just hear it?
I have not seen it, but I think it's declared like we should close every border in Ghana.
No. They'll just come and say it. But
They'll not practice it.
what about it? Yeah, they'll just say it.
But the airport is shut down. I know the airport is shut down now. The airport is shut down. I know.
If you're traveling on the road, you have closed the border. You have evidence of it. But you didn't travel. And you said they have said it. It's not working.
But I know a few or one or two people are complaining about they are not able to fly back to their country due to the lockdown or due to the shutdown of borders. So meaning things are working.
Message, you have been there. Like they just send me message. They say no, because due to the coronavirus or COVID-19, so I should push my date forward.
Okay.
So if the date waits and it is still happening, they'll still push it forward again.
Okay. So further notice
So
now.
allow me. Yeah.
Wow.
They give me message, my email, they email me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you really want to come to your country as Papi Kojo?
Oh, everybody loves his country.
Yeah.
But our leaders are
They are not helping.
they are not helping the country. Our leaders are not helping the country at all. At all.
So what is the difference you are seeing out there, and then compared to Ghana? What is the difference? I mean,
a lot difference. A lot. You see the phone we are using.
Yep.
The phone we are using. Yeah, the calls and the bundle and other stuffs and messages.
Yeah.
We buy it in a month.
Okay.
A month.
At a cheaper rate.
A month. Yeah. We buy it a month. A month. We have like it is like a bundle. We have a daily, monthly, a year and other things. So the one that
You prefer.
that you need. Yeah, the one that you prefer.
But we still have those things
Then
in
you
Ghana.
choose. Maybe
I think the network providers do have such things.
No, Ghana, they will say month, buy it or not rich month.
It depends on the
Yeah,
bundle
they say
you're
month.
buying.
The month will be rich exactly before your everything was buy. You use it until the month rich.
So you mean
Yeah.
unlimited for a month?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
To reach that exactly month
Oh, okay.
before they'll disconnect everything unless you go and pay again.
Meaning that subscription
And
is
here,
unlimited.
Yeah.
All right.
And here, Tollbooth, yeah, they have something. It's like this thing, ATM.
Okay.
If you don't like to pay, yeah, you just pass away and you put the money on the ATM so that they will deduct it automatically.
From your card.
If you just pass the Tollbooth, they will deduct it. Yeah.
That's
From
wonderful.
That distance.
That's
Yeah.
wonderful.
And in a bridge, you pay. Overhead,
Mm-hmm.
you pay. But
So
they're using it to developing the country. By Ghana, they don't do that. That's why you don't want to pay.
that one is
That's
right.
why if they're demanding for tax, demanding for Tollbooth, demanding for other expenses, you don't want to pay because they don't use the money for good thing. They're eating the money. Here, they're using the money to build the country.
That's
making
right.
the country more beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what advice do you
By
have
Ghana.
for the general public of Ghana around this COVID-19 era?
Oh, my advice for Ghana people, like this one is happening already.
Mm-hmm.
Next time, we should not joke about anything that we hear. We use our ear to hear it. That there's something like this coming to this. We should be fast.
Okay.
Our leaders should be fast and work about it. They should be
Okay.
fast and work about it. They should not joke about it. They should do something about Ghana, our motherland. They should do something. Otherwise, I promise, next year or next year coming, I hope everybody will not sit in Ghana again.
Yeah, definitely.
Maybe they will be use Ghana for burial or what for
Yeah.
funeral. If you die and we come and
Bury then everybody goes back to. Oh, nice.
Serious. Angel me.